Over here, casting its own shadow, is a 2015 Harley-Davidson FLRT. The Freewheeler with an F. The bike has, or I guess the Trike has, under 1,000 miles on it and is in color vivid black. Previous owner added a windshield bag, a rider's backrest, and a passenger backrest that you'll see in a moment. Also added some bling on the back part of the bike. The backrests we were speaking of. With under 1,000 miles and being only 2 years old, needless to say, it's in great shape. Got a few rhinestones here and right there. And on the license plate frame. I missed that on the other part of the video. Beautiful bike. Don't know if you've ridden a Trike before. It's like riding in a early 70s sedan DeVille. It's riding on a cloud going down the freeway. Come on out to North County Indian Motorcycle and check out this beautiful Freewheeler today.